Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, we're still there, January. Them say January the longest month. Do you believe? Do you feel like January is one of the longest months? According to the audience, every month have the same amount of days. So what's the difference between January? Yeah, but till January the 6th actually, and I am going in back to what I had planned before I had sickness panic attack. You know what I mean? Like something I thought that was wrong, and when I did the test and so forth, it worked out to be fine based on the results. So basically what I'm saying is that before I thought something was wrong with my heart, before I thought something was wrong with my heart, I was working out and all of that. The last time I worked out was in when? Too lazy, so I put on the phone on the tripod. So what I'm saying is that the last time I worked out was sometime early October, which would have allowed me to be sitting here, not working out, eating a whole lot of junk. So I didn't tell you guys the progress of how much weight I lost then. So if you remember in June, I did go to the doctor, the gynecologist at what? No, gynecologist. Yeah, the guy at Ochi, he weighed me and I was 212. The last time I went to the doctor, when I was feeling the pain and whatever, I was 197. So all of the workout that I seen on the vlog and everything I do from when school just did a close, which was in June, month end, come straight back to then, I lost that amount of weight. I do have some snaps that I could share, but let's see how this editing thing I go. However, I had to stop because I was feeling a pain on the left side of my chest. If you don't watch one vlog, when I see when me that telling about the pain. If you're not a good subscriber, when I see the right. So what happened was that a girl turned to Google. Google is everyone's best friend when there are issues or when you want answer to anything, and then it's like whatever I'm feeling related to just me thinking that something was wrong with my heart. I went to the doctor. He was saying that based on what I'm saying, it could be a heart problem, but he can't tell. I have to go do the test and everything. So I went ahead because he was saying that I'm pretty young to having heart issues, but heart issues don't relate to a specific age. It can affect anybody. So I went to do the heart test and it turned out that my heart is fine. However, I have this condition where I strained a muscle in my chest years ago, the pain in the heart, and that strained, like I couldn't sleep. Me had problem like me breathe, me feel pain. So he was saying that probably I that come back up and all of that. So because of all of that, he's thinking that if the heart is fine, then probably that's what, whatever. So I want to add it up and blah blah whatever. So and all that strain came from me cleaning, pushing heavy dresser, pushing this stuff, pushing all that, then something that's just me. I was at the whole packing. And for me, I don't like to ask for help. I just do my own thing and just, yeah, so I strained a muscle then, so me can't really lift up over everything and whatever. Yeah, so getting back to that's the reason why I stopped exercising, and I was worried and blah blah blah. Christmas came and me am big garbage in a KFC line all this time, all the time, drinking this all up a Starbucks. Did you know that Starbucks make you put on a lot of weight? Because Starbucks is very milky. Like, not Starbucks, because most of Starbucks beverage is milky, which they have mixed product. They have products, beverages that does not really contain milk. I'm not gonna get regular milk and all that. So we do a lot of sugar, cream, this, milk, chocolate, this, blah blah blah, which means chocolate, caramel, and all that stuff. It put on my whole power, yeah. Yeah. The whole Christmas cake. The whole this, the whole garbage of yam, the whole late hours at night we are kill me. But I know the day bright and early from after 7. I mean, and only always to eat when clock says 6, 7, 8, 9. Even when I was on my good journey, I didn't know time I eat. As me did tell me, I struggle with that a lot. So struggles I go come, struggles I go go. But I want to start back work, you know, this morning, January the 6th. So I'm in my workout fits. My workout shorts, me sports bra. Another thing too for me and my heavy boss, I don't know much to them dumb little, them very busty, so I can't do workout. I was recommended not to do workouts that really have my breasts going up and down. Another thing too, I can, but I have to make sure I have a lot of sports bra that are as tight as this one, and this is the only one that I have that is so tight. So I need to invest in that too, because when the sports bra is tight, I have big breasts. When you do the breast, you know, sir, and it's very heavy and it kind of hurts. You understand? So yeah, I'm in my fit to work out this morning, and a girl is gonna work out this morning because we're going back to. But I really love working out. I was very motivated and I had Janice joined me some evenings, but I'm here alone. It's very important for me to lose weight, and I have to lose weight because of another condition too, that if I'm too overweight, it just starts up back all of those problems, and I can't get back to 212. I'm gonna go on the scale. So I'm gonna go on the scale before I start workouts, and then once start. The schedule for today is, all I have it in my head is that I'm doing laundry now. So in between laundry, Odin will help, and I go work out in the living room. I am going to work out in the living room while I'm between the laundry. I'm done the workout one, clean up my makeup, brush them. Then I'm going to clean up my makeup, brush them. Then I'm going to straighten up the house. Then I'm going to run to the dressmaker to collect my clothes, because tomorrow is Trina's birthday party. I bought a blazer on Amazon. I'll show you that. I collected, that's the package I collected, but they handed me too long, but the body fit was fine. So they're fixing the blazer. I have this pants that want to alter that I bought from Fashion Nova that can't fit me. But it's from all ago. No, all last time I bought from Fashion Nova. And go to dressmaker, go for that, and come back. Get ready, glammed up, go to the airport because I have an airport pickup to do today, and then come back, and then I'm going to go to chores and go ride dirt bike and all these things. That's gonna be in the next vlog. But this vlog is just going to entail me doing everything that I'm doing today. Yeah, so the machine done. Now put water in the machine for you, because all my machine set up in a really set up where it just do the wash by itself. So we going to do that, come work out, and yeah, so forward. Come, if you're new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Dominique. Yeah, Dominique, and people call me Tash because Tash comes from my first name. Dominique is my middle name. If you never know, a lot of people call me Dominique, but Dominique is my middle name, not my first name. But that's fine. I love Dominique too. I love Tash. I love anything. Anyway, it's time I go, but just forward. Oh, and the facial, I never get the facial done. However, I came home and I did a little steam. I allowed Odin to breathe out the black in the mouth of my face because I don't know I broke out my face, so. But we can't talk about that. So we have a big book for our next appointment for the facial also. So Machine on water too. So we'll get it some water. My laundry room. Stay back. Stay back. People, laundry room is a mess. It's a mess. So this is how I have to get the water out of the machine. So it's on the second wash. So after it's done full up, then may add my rinse and so. But laundry room messy. Everything chaka in here. But yeah, so when the water done for the start washing, then I come to out the water. So I don't know what I'm struggling. I know someone will do the struggle. So yeah. So let's go work out now. I got this light and I need this light. Open the window. Yeah. Oh, like when I get glam and have a wig and everything, I'm going to try to do the living room tour today. Hopefully that can go on. So we have to kind of be snappy to make that can happen today too. So yeah.
Focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't want you. Baby, I just want you to get up. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
Guys, I'm going to share something that I learned on the internet with you. So do you have dirty makeup brush? Do you find it very time consuming and very hard to clean them? Well, this app is going to take away all your problems. Okay, I took all your problems. So it said use a bar soap. So I'm thinking, I'm Jamaican, the best soap in Jamaica for you to clean anything dirty you want to get it clean is cake soap. Not true. So I have a bar of cake soap and I have my makeup brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet the brush and the soap, and I'm just going to just rub it on the soap like this. Won't even take a long time. If you look, you see all of the dirt coming out of the brush. Can squeeze it out a little, but look here so far. Look here so far. You can wash it out just to see where you're at with the makeup. Wash off the soap. Go again another time. Oh, there, look on the machine there for me. Yeah, full it up full. Look how this, the water, the soap will come outside. You see? Just a couple seconds. Wash out the soap out of the brush. Squeeze out the water just to see the clean water. Voila. Look here. So clean, so fast, so effective. Anybody will come up with this? Come up with something good. So let me just put them down to dry, and I'm going to put them to dry in the sun. So let's go again. Fast, so effective, and voila, voila. And just in case you guys might be saying my brushes aren't really dirty, see there? Dirty. So you can try that act if you think it's, I don't know what the brush. If you think it's time consuming just to clean your makeup brush, then do that. Because if it's one thing, dirty makeup brush, work out your face. And we kind of do that a lot. use dirty brush, take too long to wash them, and since recently me start change that. And yeah, it's very important to get your brushes clean. Very important. So that's it. Done. Yeah.
Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on?
Guys, taking this beautiful view. We're on the airport road, parked up, just waiting. But this is so nice. We have the view of the water, the factory, the ships, the boats, the hills, the mountain. Which mountain that? That's a mountain, eh? It is a mountain. So pretty. View is so nice. Yeah, so just sit here waiting and give the KFC. Yeah, we came outside, but it's so windy. Like, it's so windy. Wanna tell me why Odie have the land and gone up there? So we're outside. I don't think you can fish out here. So you're not gonna? Yes, you say look, you can see say double can look from past here, so you see? Say look deep right, you see belly there, so? Dump up all of this. That's why they have a shallow water there. So the view here, guys, not everything, but we're leaving now. Guys, so they're doing improvement over normally, because remember the other day I was showing that they're doing work at the Sangsters, but not doing like big major improvement over here like what they are doing at Sangsters. But yeah, so what they're changing over here, it seems like, you know, where the wing used to be, the Air Jamaica wing thing. Yeah, that's what they seem like they're putting. So I guess because Air Jamaica is no more. But huh, every vlog gonna watch, people. Every vlog gonna watch the last 3 vlogs of airport in there. But yeah, that's what's up for today. Okay.
You would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get.
Yeah, comment down below if you remember when we could have go through the door here and go up, go watch anybody you have leaving. Have you ever done that, Adele? Yeah, I miss those days. The children these days, and that's why a lot of them don't really know what airplane look like. They don't know.
Oh, only for them know what airplane look like.
Well,
watch video.
Alright, but not like really saying I know what it look like, but you know, like up close and personal, like just see the plane, just, you know, like they know what the plane look like. So probably I should say that.
We have more kids traveling nowadays than back then.
Well, but you still have a lot of children who that just come to the airport who not travel, and you're able to go and see your family member leaving. I love when they used to do that. Mr. always got my father going. But this painting is nice that they have right here on the airport. Yeah. Guys, let me give you a quick story here. So I was rushing to come to Pandora, right? Because Pandora locked 5 o'clock. So I was rushing to come to Pandora to get myself something as well, to get Trina something. Pandora locked 5 o'clock. So me a blaze to come through the plaza, you know. We all catch up somewhere for parking. Just a nice surprise. Only see at the doorway at Pandora store. It was not even planned that we were going to meet up in Ochi, but never know that you were going to come here, so yeah, that's what's up.
Now we get this money, so I guess I can.
Guys, I'm leaving Pandora now. I just got myself another charm. So I have a left hand charm and I also have a right hand one. Cute. Guys, I got this earring set. I purchased it from Amazon along with the blazer. I'm going to show you guys. This is the luxury. It's some nice earrings that I like. They kind of have a different vibe. But tell me, why did I purchase this set of earrings for Amazon for $9 when I get one set of earrings from Shein for $2? Like me, I feel I wonder. But because Shein, the time I ordered, Shein would have been way out with delivery. But I got these because I think they said these are the something like that dope. The Blvd. Now see it? So I got these and I'm going to wear something out of the pack today. See how that goes. And I also got a blazer. Because I'm going to Trina's birthday brunch vision board something. It's gonna be a new type of thing, so I don't really understand what it's all about. But I got this blazer from the lady. She not press it. Got this blazer from Amazon too. Sure, no? So I don't have on my full on bra, but when I have on like that, I'm showing. So this is it. I just have the dressmaker alter the sleeve, but this is how short she altered the sleeve. I don't like that. We should see like it alter more. It don't look no different. Watch it. It look different. No, look no different to me. Watch it. It's still long. You wow. I don't like this. I don't like this. We should did alter more. Anyway, this is how it's looking. I'm going to rock it with some white, and I have a rose gold heels with clear strap, or I have my other option would be my pink heels. These, so I'm not sure. It all depends on. I feel like these are more hot pink, like more like a soft pink. But why do you see them so long? We should see them a bit shorter. But okay, this is the vibe for today. Guys, I got to Trina's event. I love this necklace. Babe got me it for Christmas. Yeah, I am loving the look I have on today. First, I'm kind of wearing something like this. I'll leave photos on the screen for you guys to see. But yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, that's a whole breakout on my face. I'm just push out another makeup a lot. I'm gonna get a facial soon, but that's what's up. A part of Trina's event was to make a vision board, and this is my vision board. Yeah, we're at Honey Bay Resort. The event is here, so yeah. Woo! Let me blow it.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
One thing Natasha, have a speech them.
My very special friend, very, very special to me. I've known Trina since 2015, and
and that has been a long time, and I consider it to be long but still short because life is going pretty speedy. And I say Trina is very supportive. I'm speaking for myself. She's always there. No matter how small it is, she's always there. So no matter if today I'm going to be a mile and a half, I have to be here today. And for that, I love you for your supporting personality and how sweet you are. And you're aging very nicely, and I hope you continue to age the way you are. Right, friend? I love you.